Hey guys, and I found out how to get a webcam for my recording thing. Ooh, yay. So now you guys can see me. And okay, sorry about that. I didn't know I was recording, but sorry if you did not see that part. I'm honestly very sorry, but yeah, we are going to be escaping, and I'm going to be trying to find criminal base. So yeah, I don't even know if I was recording. Wow. I have to watch the video after. Sorry about the time limit. I'm sorry. In order to do any time, I'm gonna ask my parents. In order to do any time, I have to pay for this. So it sucks. I'm sorry, guys. Like, it honestly does suck because I have to pay for it. Don't ask me why I'm going on the mountains. Please don't ask me why. I bet you're gonna ask me because I said that, but okay, so the mountains is an easier way for me to escape. Cause in the last video, part 2 and part 1, did I even escape on part 1? Well, whatever part I did when I escaped, I did not go on the mountains. Oh wow, there's snow on the mountains. Okay, from the mountains I can kind of see the bank sometimes, but I see criminal base. I don't know the directions for criminal base and stuff like that, so I usually go on the mountains see. Okay, over here, snow. Oop, there we go. Yep. So, no! Oh, yay. Okay. I was like, no! Oh, guys, it's pretty steep down here. So we're just gonna, thank goodness I did not die on that one. I'm so happy. I'm thankful that I did not die. Whew! It's pretty steep down here. Hopefully I'm trying not to go too fast. Here we go, criminal base. Okay, this one is not too steep. Okay, we're here. Wait, are we just back at the police station? Oh, dang it. I went the wrong way. All that stuff is back here, sorry. Sometimes I make really not good mistakes, so. Okay, so in order to enter, so here's my plan. Oops, looks like there's a police, so. Looks like I went the wrong way. I honestly went, so when I escaped, I went from there, and then I just went back. Oh me. Okay, so I had no clue where I can find criminal base. This will take me a while, so instead of actually just walking, I just do that then, honestly. Or I'll just cause look, there's police cars. We could just honestly, I could just pretend I'm a police, I don't know. Why do I keep saying honestly? Today I'm kind of happy. Oh, not too. Sorry you cannot see my face fully, because I'm going to be recording it and you're not going to be able to see my face fully. So, oh, here we go. The bank is always this way. It's always this way. Well, whatever, if you find a bank or anything like that, it's always this way. Oh my gosh, can we get this criminal car? Passenger, driver. Oh, yay! Oh, these are hard to drive. Dang it. These are hard to drive. You can't turn fully. I don't like that. How do we turn? Shift. Shift, L. Oh, L to get out. So then, I'll just get this car then. Okay, come on. Maybe guys, I should hurry up because, well, there may be, this is honestly as hard as I did not think this would be. That's so hard. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Come on, turn. Yo, whatever, let's just take the old way and run. I'm getting tired, guys. But we need to get hurry. So I'm gonna rob the donut shop, the jewelry store, and then go to criminal. Should I go to criminal base and then rob the jewelry store and then the so then yeah. Okay. You rob banks after you escape, but you'll need a key card. Here we are. So we're at the gun shop. Yay! Oh my gosh. I can get my prison car. Yes. Dang it, it costs money. Okay. I don't even know how much. Gun glitch. What? VIP source. Gun glitch. I glitched in. What? Police in city. What? What kind of? I'm looking at the text right now, as you can see here. What? Okay, so it's kind of like weird. I already paid for this like a long time ago. You know, on part 2 where I did my stuff. Yeah. Shooting range where we can practice our shooting. So let's practice our shooting. Ready? Target. Yep. Not too bad. We can just buy a new one after it. I just use all these bullets. Yay. Yeah, I used all my bullets. Wait. Okay, so we only have 5 more bullets, so I'm just gonna put that down. Okay, now it's time to go to the next one. This is not a part. You guys could say it's a part 3, but I don't think this will be. This will not be a part 3. It would just be a part 1 probably. I don't know. No, this will not be any parts actually. Oh, donut shop. Hello, donut shop. Oh no, first we need to go to this place. Oh dang. We need to go to this place. Oh yes, helicopter. Wait, does this cost money? Does this helicopter cost money? Yeah. Boy, look at this monster truck. Oh my gosh, all this stuff almost costs so much money that I don't even have to have any to afford. Like, fine, we'll just rob the donut shop. It's way too basic and way too hard. When I'm a police, I always stay at the bank. Oh yay, it looks like you're robbing too? Oh, well, I'm just doing that. I'll just open this crate. Oh, look, like, I got my money. I already have rainbow, so orange. I get cash instead, actually. It's cool. Okay, so it looks like, did I already rob it? Oh, I have to keep robbing this. Yahoo! Okay, you can keep robbing it. The thing is that you can keep robbing it is so cool. Like, until you get to like 1,000 something. Really. Oh look. Don't come back later. Well, I'm coming back. Okay. Okay, now it's time to go to the bank. Actually, we need to go to prison base, and we need to catch up to the train so we can rob there. I heard that you can rob from the train. Oh, that's so cool. Like, I'm so happy that you can rob from the what's it called? Oh yeah, Bye guys, I'm doing a part 2. This was part 1, and I'm sorry I'm doing parts, but like it upgrades faster, so you guys can see my videos faster. Bye.